Sound effects are one of the most difficult things when you're animating stop motion. Maybe you want to edit your stop motion, but you don't know how to get good sound effects. Well, you're at the right place. Since in this video I'm gonna show you how I get my sound effects from my stop motion. Let's begin. Video editor. Yes, most video editors have built-in sound effects you can use for free. For example, I use CapCut. If I go to sounds and then click on sound effects, I can choose the perfect sound effect for my stop motion. There's so many of these, I can't even decide what to pick. Second choice is YouTube. Yeah, I think you might know that, but it's really important to mention. Just tap on the searching bar and tap whatever you want. You can just go crazy and yeah, just record that and cut it in your scene. Wait, if you wanna see a stop motion with lots and lots of sound effects, definitely click this video.